Afoyo matek tutwal kumalo mi Uganda. Adugu tutwal le abieno kagam lok pa Joe Embro ma anano ungamo doge uluonia madong mwa katika chia katuma mutua indong toke kum noba mwa katika chia katum ajuani kita ene dak mi luongonia. Anyway, Joe Embro wa wachi gen na no chegwak ne mero ngene. No, me and Mixola pe balle and we are friends. Kumbetini, ma walogoni. Tinyang and da mama wan wada wan Mixola pe. Being it ni the first video pa Mixola, the first video ne mo can ma funo go ma pat ki eno ma no ana sponsoring ma chelo be pakke. Video ma kiloni lero ma liners en goyo. Pini agoyo kono kitwin coming on but that brotherhood to support that talent money anoni tinanen now iti awai ni anago ni chim and I was so harsh on you king ngogini yeah, it's true, I called you but kita in law kereni, that's not right. Me medical anoni in machala way, how can you manage that way in mad kawa promoting way ni kekini unganyo. Do you have any hit song ma anywhere in the committee? There's a collab more go uni easy we no cock ma we no picture be cha me ba chapa easy bien no aber no in picture no easy on karike idea ne. There's way ma we chan huni gena uni abel clone adunda ko ngoni utemo gena Nigerian style money kenyo we any cause of abel apple of my eye wuni pato cause of pato. Is there any single man in making in kumi ma we're promoting yourself tika ngani o ya tika why no tika meto promoting la way. Yeah, Mixola is a good artist, yes, and ngatuma ikan ngeni ana ya I brought Mixola gulu. Mixola was based in Kampala. Manopol weno ngwe leblaka tinane weno we leblaka. Mixola acharo teach ki Mixola after Tiana Matiana Epic Entertainment go biono bora go signing Tiana ki bora in a polite way go signing Tiana ki bora kama war we make love and affection. We are love and affection kai na kidu channel YouTube two versions adi a Rio a chill magirki the Diaz management ya chill magirki Epic. Then the same with way pa Mixola make lero two versions but di a chill kao tum ina tum kinga logo pa Mixola a chill tum ki logo pa nga pa di ayas manyoti kai nan mod NT gene a YouTube channel pa Starlane. The original version makita ki yubo kere makita liners boti yako yupo ki video kita ki releasing ki video gir ki logo pa di ayas ene the first video but Mixola anangeyo Mixola ma JJ Steve beyond and Bora in 2021 one chaka working in 2020 lockdown mapping tech luwe kana ki yala ni ena ana pulling chain wacha go video Joe Embro in ma yinyongo pinga iti tupukin down alingo mod Mixola pe ka lock keje biane right now Mixola t on t hit tika trending. That's why time ni kill lock enuni we in abeka in yinyu yo mon we all to releasing way chata kamon yinyu lock kum fire ne be obey yin be lock bore yin lock kum fire war we ni money kenyu we ni ma kenyu kill ko ni don ko ngo ni tim perien item style mo kan kwe make production any production ben watiki lote ana magitika kinini kiti production ma bali wiyo in production ma we te pe kiri wa isani na we ka promote in keni ben nganyo jo in pinga but ana ngi mo ngi in and out ngi ka mi don ki ye ngi o migini ngi ki mo kan ana ali kweda gwake. And next time pay no lungo nyai ki mingi mo iken kai tika yin yo mo promotion yo tika yin yo mo part yin yo mo part weka kera jo Joe Emrold weke keda. And nowadays I'm not into violence. And probably don't look ming pangatumo can but kay nene roba gummy giri. And then I posting kumbe da chero ni achia daga chi nyot gini mi cha den kamo ano de kwanyo eto kwanyo mi kwanyo ko no da kwa downloading wa chon. I won't joke and you are picking in your kid enemy. Kay mero you are te mot. Nung N1 lu tiano ma football tiano ini bina julle ken way don daga ille. Ni am pa mero be legend be pa mero dreaming be legend. Ungaya Piroka Piani ka chako donyo ki jimi matut ikum in pepe mara jo. Mixola pe kilo come Amaro wene bene JJ Steve a pe kilo come kay nan be wait ka ngayene u yingenu kenne u mak tichu kenne ni Polo nya JJ Steve be eno beru ikin jo mano giti anda an kidak JJ Steve beru manager kini un joke wi utop ka kwanu remu do gan kwan mate te ko kon mum ma ko